Need help to write crypto content that not only attracts but also converts your audience? Finding it challenging to craft catchy and persuasive copy that effectively showcases your crypto project, product, or service? Do you wish there was a smart, easy way to create content that aligns with your crypto goals and resonates with your audience? If you've answered yes to one of these questions, you're exactly where you need to be. Writelytic leverages advanced AI to generate content based on your specific input. Simply describe what you need, and Writelytic will instantly transform it into a supercharged prompt engineered for success, generating high-converting marketing copy tailored to your goals. We'll walk you through how Writelytic works, how you can use it to create content for your crypto project, blog, or newsletter, and how you can get started with Writelytic for free today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Writelytic is a game changer for crypto content creation with AI. You'll be amazed at what it can do for you. So let's dive right in. Writelytic offers a variety of writing tools for different use cases, such as Google Business Profile, TikTok Caption, Video Title, Tweet Thread, Instagram Caption, ADA Framework, and more. You can select the writing tool that best suits your needs and get results in seconds. In this video, however, we'll focus on one of the most useful and powerful writing tools for crypto content creation, the Crypto White Paper tool. This tool can assist you in creating a professional and compelling white paper for your crypto project. A white paper is a document that outlines the problem you're solving, the solution you're offering, the technology you're using, the tokenomics you're implementing, and the roadmap and team you have in place. A white paper is a crucial piece of content for your crypto project, as it can attract and convert potential investors, customers, or followers. A well-written white paper can make or break your crypto project, so it's essential to get it right. Writing a white paper can be a daunting and time-consuming task, especially if you're not a professional writer or lack extensive experience in the crypto space. It requires thorough research, analysis, and planning, and you need to write in a clear and convincing manner that highlights your value proposition and competitive advantage. This is where Writelytic comes in. Writelytic can assist you in writing a crypto white paper with AI by generating a prompt optimized for your goal and audience. You don't need to worry about prompt engineering, the process of crafting a specific input for the AI to produce the desired output. Writelytic handles that for you, saving you time and effort. So, how do you use Writelytic to write a crypto white paper with AI? It's straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on Writelytic's website. You can do this by clicking on the top link in the description or by visiting writelytic.com. You'll gain access to all the writing tools, but with a limited number of words per month. If you want unlimited words per month, plus the brand voice feature, which we'll discuss later, you can upgrade to the Pro plan for $29 per month. You can also try Writelytic for free for 14 days, no credit card required. Step 2. Select the Crypto White Paper tool from the list of writing tools. You'll see a screen where you can provide some context for your crypto project. You'll need to enter the name of your project, a short description of what it does, the problem it solves, the solution it offers, the target audience, and the main benefit. You can also add some keywords or phrases that you want to include in your white paper, such as your project's vision, mission, or values. Here's an example of what you can enter. Project name, CryptoCoin. Description, a decentralized and scalable cryptocurrency that enables fast and secure transactions. Problem, existing cryptocurrencies are slow, expensive, and vulnerable to attacks. Solution, CryptoCoin uses a novel consensus algorithm and a sharding mechanism to achieve high throughput, low fees, and high security. Target audience, crypto enthusiasts, investors, traders, and developers. Main benefit, CryptoCoin offers a superior user experience and a competitive edge in the crypto market. Keywords, CryptoCoin, cryptocurrency, consensus, sharding, scalability, security, speed, fees. Step 3. Click on the Generate button and wait for a few seconds. Writelytic will instantly transform your input into a supercharged prompt engineered for success, generating a high-converting crypto white paper for your project. You'll see a screen where you edit, copy, or download your white paper. Here's an example of what you can get. CryptoCoin, a decentralized and scalable cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. They are designed to offer an alternative to traditional fiat currencies, which are controlled by central authorities and subject to inflation, manipulation, and censorship. However, existing cryptocurrencies face several challenges that limit their adoption and usability, such as low scalability. Most cryptocurrencies rely on a single blockchain to process all transactions, which creates a bottleneck and reduces the throughput. For example, Bitcoin can only process about 7 transactions per second, while Ethereum can process about 15 transactions per second. This is far below the demand of millions of users and applications that require fast and frequent transactions. High fees. Due to the limited scalability, users have to compete for the limited space in each block by paying higher fees to the miners who validate the transactions. This makes transactions expensive and unpredictable, especially during periods of high network congestion. For example, the average transaction fee for Bitcoin was over $50 in April 2021, while the average transaction fee for Ethereum was over $20 in May 2021. This makes transactions impractical and unaffordable for many users and use cases. Low security. Most cryptocurrencies use a consensus algorithm called proof of work, POW, which requires miners to solve complex mathematical puzzles to create new blocks and earn rewards. However, POW is vulnerable to attacks, such as 51% attacks, where a malicious actor can gain control of more than half of the network's computing power and manipulate the blockchain. For example, in January 2019, a 51% attack on Ethereum Classic resulted in the loss of over $1 million worth of tokens. These challenges pose a serious threat to the future cryptocurrencies and their potential to revolutionize the world of finance and beyond. That's why we created CryptoCoin, a decentralized and scalable cryptocurrency that enables fast and secure transactions. A cryptocurrency that uses a novel consensus algorithm and a sharding mechanism to achieve high throughput, low fees, and high security. It offers a superior user experience and a competitive edge in the crypto market by solving the problems of existing cryptocurrencies and providing the following benefits. High scalability. CryptoCoin can process thousands of transactions per second, thanks to its innovative design that splits the network into multiple shards, each with its own blockchain and transactions. This allows CryptoCoin to parallelize the transaction processing and increase the network capacity without compromising the decentralization or the security. Low fees. CryptoCoin can offer low and stable fees, thanks to its efficient consensus algorithm that does not require intensive computation or energy consumption. CryptoCoin uses a consensus algorithm called proof of stake, POS, which requires validators to stake a certain amount of tokens to participate in the network and earn rewards. This makes it more eco-friendly and cost-effective than POW-based cryptocurrencies. High security. CryptoCoin can ensure high security thanks to its robust consensus algorithm and its sharding mechanism that prevents attacks and ensures the consistency and validity of the transactions. CryptoCoin also uses a sharding mechanism called adaptive state sharding, which dynamically adjusts the number and size of the shards and randomly assigns validators to different shards to prevent shard takeover attacks and ensure the network's resilience. CryptoCoin is a cryptocurrency that combines the best of both worlds, the speed and scalability of traditional payment systems and the security and decentralization of blockchain technology, and is ready for mass adoption and mainstream use. So, how can you get started with CryptoCoin? It's very easy. Getting started with CryptoCoin is simple. Just follow these basic steps, etc. And that's it. That's how you can use Writelytic to write a crypto white paper with AI. Since you're here, I'm sure you're interested in crypto investing and AI. So here is a video where I show you how to invest in Bitcoin with AI using the Internet Millionaire program. I know, it sounds too good to be true. You can watch the video by clicking here or by following the link in the description below. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content about learning, crypto, investing, and AI. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos and to be one step closer to earning your digital degree. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.